Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon jelly. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of bacon, 1 large onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. You'll also need 1 cup of brewed coffee, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of warmth. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious spread. Next, cook your bacon until it's wonderfully crispy. Once done, remove the bacon and set it aside, but leave about 2 tablespoons of that flavorful bacon fat in the pan. This fat is crucial for the next step. Add your diced onion and minced garlic to the pan, sautéing them gently until they become soft and translucent. This builds a fantastic aromatic base for your jelly. Now, deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, scraping up all those delicious bits. Pour in 1 cup of brewed coffee, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Stir in your crumbled, crispy bacon and the red pepper flakes. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 45 to 60 minutes, allowing it to thicken into a rich, jam-like consistency. Patience here creates incredible depth of flavor. Finally, for a smoother texture, use an immersion blender directly in the pan or transfer the mixture to a food processor. Blend until it reaches your preferred consistency, whether you like it chunky or very smooth. Carefully spoon the hot bacon jelly into clean, sterilized jars. Once cooled, seal the jars and store them in the refrigerator. Enjoy your homemade bacon jelly for up to 3 weeks on toast, crackers, or with cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.